What's going on, guys? So today I don't really have too much in mind for the Mazda, but I think I'm gonna work on painting the Mazda logo that's on the back tailgate. So far I got just the M done, and yeah, it's kind of, the sun came out for the first time in a few days, so I decided to start cleaning up the engine bay a little bit. I've just been trying to figure out like what I'll be able to delete vacuum wise in the future, so I've just been kind of checking it out, cleaning stuff off, seeing what status everything's at. Looks pretty good, decently good. I'd love to paint the engine bay black, but that's gonna have to be when the engine comes out type of deal. But yeah, she's looking pretty good, so I'm gonna pull her out and warm her up, give her a nice cold start. She hasn't started in a week or so. Well, I was able to get all of the Mazda on the back tailgate painted. The whole word took me like, I don't know, 2-ish hours, but it came out fantastic. I'm so happy with how it looks. Just so sweet. Makes it stand out from a distance. I'm probably going to have to paint this tailgate handle black just because it'll just look better. I know it will. But oh man, it's really coming together now. Yeah, just the front wheels, and then the tint. Front wheels going black, some dark tint, and I might paint this yellow, the same yellow, to match right there. But other than that, she is about ready to start cruising around again.